Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Xbox and ASUS just dropped a bombshell at the Xbox Games Showcase 2025 with the ROG Xbox Ally and ROG Xbox Ally X, two new handheld gaming PCs set to redefine portable gaming. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about these beasts. Were they the ultimate Steam Deck killers? Let's find out. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. The ROG Xbox Ally series was unveiled with a splash, promising the power of Xbox in a portable Windows 11 package. Launching holiday 2025 in selected markets like the US, UK, Japan, and more, these handhelds are a collab between Xbox and ASUS ROG division. We have got two models, the ROG Xbox Ally for casual gamers and the premium ROG Xbox Ally X for hardcore players. No pricing yet, but rumors suggest the Ally could start around $500, while the Ally X might hit $800 or more. Stay tuned for pre-order details. Let's talk design. Both handhelds share a sleek form factor, measuring 290.8 x 121.5 x 50.7 millimeters, but they're a bit chunky. The Ally weighs 670 grams, and the Ally X is heavier at 715 grams. Heavier than the Steam Deck's 669 grams. The contoured grips, inspired by Xbox wireless controllers, feel super comfortable for long sessions, with ergonomic curves that fit various hand sizes. The Ally X steps it up with impulse triggers for enhanced control, while the base Ally uses Hall effect analog triggers. Both feature a B10Y buttons, a D-pad, dual analog sticks with customizable LED rings, and dedicated Xbox, View, Menu, Library, and Command Center buttons for seamless navigation. Now, the juicy stuff, specs. The ROG Xbox Ally rocks an AMD Ryzen Z2 processor, 16GB LPDDR5, times to 6400 RAM, and a 512GB SSD. The Ally X, though, is a beast with the AMD Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme chip, boasting an NPU with 50 peangas for AI features like Copilot+. It's paired with 24GB LPDDR5 times to 8000 RAM and a 1TB SSD. Both have a micro SD card slot for extra storage and a 7-inch 1080p IPS touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 500 nits brightness, and FreeSync Premium for smooth visuals. The Ally X's 80 watt-hour battery outlasts the Ally's 60 watt-hour, promising longer playtime. Both come with a 65 watts charger stand and dual USB-C ports, with DisplayPort 2.1 support for docking. Here's where it gets exciting. These handhelds boot directly into a revamped Xbox app, optimized for a console-like experience on Windows 11. No more clunky desktop navigation. The game bar and ASUS's Armory Crate SE make it easy to access your library, tweak settings, and chat with friends. You can play natively, stream via Xbox Cloud Gaming with Game Pass Ultimate, or use Remote Play for your Xbox console. Plus, it's not just Xbox. You get Steam, Epic, GOG, Battle.net, and even PlayStation Remote Play support. Microsoft's also working with devs to optimize games for handhelds, and Roblox is natively playable for the first time. I got some view on Thier's site with the Ally 10, and wow, it feels premium. The grips are a game changer, though the weight might tire you out in long sessions. Playing Gears of War, Reloaded, the impulse triggers added awesome tactile feedback, and the 120Hz display made Hollow Knight Silksong buttery smooth. However, some AAA titles like Avatar, Frontiers of Pandora struggle even on low settings, so don't expect desktop PC performance. The Armory Crate app helps, but Windows 11 still has some jank, like tiny touch targets. Battery life on the Ally 10 is solid. How do these stack up? Compared to the ASUS ROG Ally 10 from 2024, the Xbox Ally 10 has a newer chip and better Xbox integration, but it's pricier. The Steam Deck OLED remains king for Steam OS simplicity and a lower price, but the Ally series wins for versatility with Game Pass and multi-storefront support. Against the Lenovo Legion Go or MSI Claw, The Xbox Ally's controller-like design and software optimizations give it an edge. If you're deep in the Xbox ecosystem, these handhelds are a no-brainer. Pros: amazing Xbox integration, versatile storefront support, gorgeous 120 Hz display, and ergonomic design. Cons: Windows 11 can be clunky, they're heavier than competitors, and pricing is still a mystery. Also, don't expect to run every AAA game flawlessly. These are handhelds, not gaming PCs. So, are the ROG Xbox Ally and Ally 10 worth the hype? If you love Xbox and want a portable powerhouse that plays nice with Game Pass, Steam, and more, these could be your dream devices. We'll know more about pricing and accessories soon, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for updates. What games are you excited to play on these handhelds? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Game on!